How can some organizations perform so well that their industry counterparts are competitors, but in name only? How can high-velocity organizations consistently achieve breakthrough innovations and sustain competitive advantages? This program reveals the secrets of the best-performing organizations. You will study real-world cases across a broad spectrum of industries, from technology, manufacturing, healthcare. You will learn the best practices from great operational triumphs. At the same time, you will critically examine the missteps that have humbled even the most reputable and respected organizations. To embark on this journey, I will explain what you can expect from this program in the upcoming weeks. This is an online program organized into 6 thematic modules. To optimize your learning experience, we recommend that you spend 4 to 6 hours each week studying a module. Module 1 will help you realize the reward of speed. Why is it so important to be the first and the best? It will help you discover your own potential to achieve a high-velocity edge, just like the legendary leaders that you've been looking up to. Module 1 will also help you establish a system view of your organization, how it functions as a social circuitry, integrating efforts of individuals for a common purpose. You will situate yourself and your immediate team within the larger system and realize how your contributions create values for the larger whole. Once you're motivated to better design, operate, and improve your organizational circuitry, each subsequent module will teach you how to accomplish it. In particular, I will introduce 4 capabilities. The first capability is to architect your social circuitry to allow dynamic discovery of problems that impede innovations and improvements. The second capability is to solve these problems when and where they occur. The third capability is to learn from solving problems. Take every opportunity of problem solving to generate new and useful knowledge, and share that knowledge, systematize that knowledge to multiply the impacts of local discovery throughout the organization. The last capability is to cultivate the first 3 capabilities in others so that you can build and lead a high-velocity team.
What Steve teaches you are more rational ways of designing and operating an organization. But people are not always rational. I will help you recognize the social, cultural, and psychological factors that prevent us from seeing and solving problems rationally. I'll talk about what causes resistance to change and help you curate your own playbook for guiding changes and transforming your organization. Each module contains various learning materials, including lecture, videos, interactive case studies, and templates and tools. To enhance your learning experience, you will find activities and assessments that allow you to engage with the content and translate your learning into actionable next steps. Your peers in the program come from all around the world. We encourage you to seize the opportunity to build professional networks and ask meaningful questions to further your study as well as your career. This program includes 24-hour support for technical issues through program support. Experienced learning facilitators will respond to content inquiries to further your learning. These resources are available for your benefit, so please take advantage of them if you need help. We hope you're ready to go, so let's get started.